lakini bado hatuja equip.
Riwruok makeronera ratiro mar oganda Kenya Human Rights Commission owuok tung' mosuo kod od bura magikoni osere menyo kaka sirikal tiyo marach kod omenda. Duol no koni duol marango sajo KHRC, duol magayo budget, duol mochung'ne pok madhine sirikal kod loch gwenge, bende okodeo tiyo makare kod pes jopiny. Walter Nyambaga nigi mathoth.
Od bura mamalo yudore tago maliet e lwet riwruok makene ratiro mag oganda Kenya Human Rights Commission e kama riwruogno wuok tung' mosuo kod od bura e wire menyo kaka omenda mag japiny inyodho kod ongoke kinde ka kinde e kata odoko ni apisi magayo budget osebedo ka chwalo lipot mag mibadhi ne od bura.
These are the offices of the control of budget, the office of the auditor general, and the salaries and remuneration commission, and also the commission on revenue allocation. And key findings from the study indicate that for the office of the control of budget, they also complained or raised concerns with the failure by the parliament to act on the recommendations. So they do recommendations that go to parliament, but unfortunately this is not addressed by parliament, so therefore really affecting their mandate.
Report mar Kenya Human Resource Commission omenya pise muchung' kar kendgi mabende olokuyo kum duol marango pok mag loch gwenge to kod mago mag sirikal eka gikoni gidhi ataro kod kwan mar 7 wi 30 mag pok ma imiyo county e budget.
Most of county governments have been allocating or spending more on recurrent as opposed to development, which is a very big challenge. And of course, personally, I have a political problem with this legal arrangement where at 30% is supposed to be allocated to development and then 70% to development. And if you go back to the principles of devolution, and actually basically why government exists to provide services.
Jakomri ruok makene ratiro mag oganda Anet Nerema to kod jata TJ Davis Malombe bende okone duol machoko suru to kod nyawadgi mar Osara ne kaluwore kod pek mar ngima pacho ka winjore gi kaw ting' mar neno ni pes japiny otigo makare.
Wastage of public resources. It was so major that what the government was doing was not able to be reported to the public. The executive could do the budget, could decide what to implement, to fund, and that was not then again accountable to the public.
Piny owacho bende osokwange e donjruok kaka pise muchung' kar kendgi tiyo ahinya to magoyo kogno kaka mwandu mag japiny manie lwet sirikal itiyo godo.
These independent institutions, because when you look at SRC, look at Office of the Control of Budget, they all have a mandate within the Constitution, an independent one, that there should be no political interference or executive interference in what they do. And so we are looking at ensuring that the offices, the independent offices, what we call the IFIs, have the mandate and the muscle to be able to deal with the decisions that are made politically in this country.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Ramogi, podwa dhi nyime koda weche ma